July Weather joined in the July 4th celebration with its own fireworks, lightning, thunder, rain, and some flooding. There has been so many storms and so much rain, many have been left wondering, is this July or May? Folks in the green areas had more than an inch, with many Mesonet sites reporting more than 2 inches. Yellow shaded areas had more than 4 inches, and red shaded areas more than 8 inches. Fitztown collected 11 and 42 inches of rain from July 1st to July 5th. More than 8 inches of that rain fell over a 6-hour period on Sunday between 4:30 and 10:30 p.m. Over the first 5 days of July, folks in the Panhandle missed out on the celebration and rain. The blue shaded areas in the west, south, and north collected less than an inch of rain through July 5th. The heavy rain made early July feel like May. June's weather mix prolonged some of that May feeling too. The biggest trend in June was the mix across the state in monthly average temperatures, winds, humidities, rainfall, and evapotranspiration. Parts of western and central Oklahoma came in close to the Mesonet 15-year average for air temperature. Moving to the east, the average air temperature for June was 1 to 2 degrees below average. Winds were below average in the pink shaded areas, close to average in the white areas, and above average in the blue shaded areas. Humidities in the green shaded areas were as high as 8% above average. In central and north central areas, humidities were average to slightly below average. The above average humidities did not translate into higher rainfall at all nearby Mesonet sites. Rainfall for the month of June came in on the dry side for the majority of Mesonet sites. In the dark brown areas, June's rainfall amounts were 2 to as much as 5 inches below average. In the dark green area, rainfall amounts were 2 to 4 inches above average. At sites in the light green areas, June rainfall amounts were typically an inch or more above average. The actual rainfall amounts for June range from a low of 0.62 of an inch at Kingfisher and Oklahoma City East to 9 and 0.65 at Weber's Falls. Like beacons in areas of lower rainfall, Mays Ranch, Butler, El Reno, and Chandler stuck out with rain totals for June close to 5 inches. All of that added up to less water demand on plants for Mesonet sites in the green shaded areas. Grandfield's water demand was 3 and 3/10 inches below normal for June. Only 4 Mesonet sites, Blackwell, Foraker, Kingfisher, and Bixby, had water demands above average in June. Checking on soil moisture, areas shaded brown are on the dry side for plant available water from the surface down to 16 inches. Elk City only had 8% of plant available water by July 4th, and Kingfisher was in a dry hole at only 10%. Sites in the dark green areas have full soil moisture profiles in that top 16 inches. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.